Hey, Chef Dan here, and to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, we're going to use one of the newest features on the market that I think is really cool. So Frigidaire came out with what they call their stone bake mode. When you buy the oven, it comes with a baking stone, pizza peel, and the oven itself, through their technology, can get up to 750 degrees. It's pretty awesome. We're going to make a St. Patrick's Day pizza. Follow along. So start with your favorite pizza dough and roll it really thin, and then load it up with basil pesto. This is going to be the green for our Shamrock theme. Add a good layer of mozzarella so it melts beautifully in the Frigidaire pizza oven's even high heat. We're going to take some sliced bell peppers and we're going to arrange them in a nice pretty fashion to add a little more grain to our pizza. Now it's ready to go in the oven. The Frigidaire pizza oven will get up to 750 degrees. This is going to cook in about 2 minutes. We're going to just toss it in there and it's be ready to go. Look at that color. Crispy, cheesy, perfect for your St. Patrick's Day spread. There you have it. With the Frigidaire Stone Bake Pizza mode, getting up to 750 degrees, you can make the perfect St. Patrick's Day pizza. Here we use pesto, a little bit of peppers, and some basil on top for garnish. Bon appetit. Thanks and have a great day.